Moon is coming. So moon is coming means then it is a dark. It's night time. And what about the sun then? Where is the sun? So no answer. So today we are going to see about that only. Okay, so that is called rotation movements of the earth. So today we are going to see about that.
Because
I need the answer in the chat, please.
Earth is rotated one round Earth. One day means one round, ma'am. 365 days means.
Lakshaya, please mute your mic, dear.
Yeah.
Lakshaya, Sangeeta, ma'am. Sangeeta, ma'am. Sangeeta, ma'am. So today we are going to see about the movements of the earth. There are two movements of the earth we are going to learn. Okay, one is rotation and another one is revolution. One is rotation and another one is revolution. Already I told star is not a planet, dear. Sun is not a planet. Sun is a star. Sun is a big star. It's a big, hot, burning, shining star. It's not a planet. So two types of movement we are going to see today. One is rotation and another one is revolution. So what is rotation? What's the meaning of rotation? If you see, the earth is constantly spinning like a top. Have you ever seen the spinning top? Do you know what it's called top? Yes? Just I'll share the screen, I'll show it. See, this is a top. Okay, if you spin the top, how it will rotate? It will rotate straighter. No, not at all. Yes, it's in Tamil Bambaram. I know. I said from the beginning itself, I said, please, dears, use the chat. Use the chat box, dears. It will not side. You shouldn't say side. Slantingly, tilting. Okay, in a tilting position only. Yes, the top will spin in a tilting position. Okay, so it won't spin in a straight position. Okay, little bit slanting position only. It will spin. Same way only, the earth is also spin. Okay, tiltingly. That means it will slightly slanting position only. It will spin. Okay, so while it was spinning slantingly, tilting position, okay, you can see a line. We want to form a imaginary line, not a real line, dears. It's an imaginary line. See, I'll show the picture. Can you see the earth? Yes? See, can you see a cross line there? Yes, that is called an imaginary line. That is called an imaginary line. Okay. And this is called an axis. What they may say? Axis. What is called axis? Axis is an inclination angle. What they may say? Inclination angle. Okay. That means axis is an astronomical term. They given the astronomical term name. Axis, they may say. Okay. So the axis of the earth is tilted to one side. Okay, tilted to one side. Tilted means slanting position, slightly slanting position. It will be there. I'll show the video also. Wait, I'm having a miniature of a globe. Just I'll share the video also. Is my video is visible?
No,
Yes, dear.
no, yes, dear.
Please check your.
No, ma'am.
No, give the answer in the chat. No, dear. Please give the answer in the chat box. Yes. Can you see the miniature of the globe? Whether the Earth is In a straight position? No, not at all. Okay, so can you see? It is in a slanting position. It is in a tilting position. In a tilting
Video is
position,
not
only the
variable.
Earth will rotate. The Earth rotates.
Ma'am, video is not.
Video is not visible.
Ma'am, video is not visible, ma'am.
Video is not visible.
Video is not visible.
Video is not visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, video is not visible. Ma'am, video is visible, ma'am.
Video is not visible.
Ma'am,
Okay.
no, ma'am, not visible, ma'am. Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am. No, Saran.
Sri, I mute your mic. Did I ask you to unmute the mic? So at the end of the session, I'll show the video and I'll explain, okay, how the Earth rotates. So, okay. So just now, I'll share the PPT and I'll explain about the rotation and revolution. So the axis of the Earth is tilted to one side and the Earth spins around this. And the movement of the Earth around the own axis is called the rotation. This is called the rotation. Okay, its own axis, the Earth will move around. This is called rotation. What is this called rotation? The movement of the Earth around its own axis is called rotation. Okay, it's called rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Okay, and the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Okay, the Earth takes how many hours, dears? To complete the one rotation? 24 hours. Very good. The Earth takes 24 hours. Okay, to complete the one rotation. That's I.
சரி அப்பா அடிக்கடி நெஞ்சோடி இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்றாரு டாக்டரை பார்க்கணும் ஹார்ட் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் யாராவது தெரியுமா அவன் மெடிக்கல் தான் கிட்ட கேட்க இல்ல சொல்லுங்க உங்களுக்கு ஹார்ட் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் யாராவது தெரியுமா
Ma'am, I can't mute, ma'am.
Mute your TV volume. First, mute your TV volume.
There's so much disturbance in the class. Hereafter, we are going to lock the students and then we are going to take the class. This is the way we should behave in the class.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Ma'am, you can now hear me?
Shakit, I ask you to mute the mic. Okay, once again, I recall the rotation. So what is called rotation? The movement of the Earth around its own axis is called a rotation. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. And the earth takes how many hours to complete the one rotation? How many hours? 24 hours. Okay, so these are the three main points about the rotation. Now we'll see about the revolution. So what is called revolution? Because already on the beginning of the chapter itself I said that we are going to learn rotation and then revolution and what the difference between the rotation and revolution and then causes of day and night. So now the second chapter is about the revolution. So what is revolution? See, like all the planets, okay, the earth also moves around the sun. The earth also moves around the sun. Okay, the sun is a big star. Sun is not a planet. Okay, just remember this point. Sun is not a planet. Sun is a big star. Okay, so totally how many planets is there in the solar system? 8. Very good. So all the 8 planets will, okay, what they will do? They will move around the sun. They will move around the sun. Even the earth also move around the sun. In which way they will move? They will move in a elliptical way, elliptical shape, okay, or circular shape. Most probably it's not a circular shape, it's a elliptical shape. What's the meaning of elliptical? What's the meaning of elliptical, dears? Have you seen the egg? What shape it is? Whether it is in a circle shape?
Shape, ma'am.
I need the answer in the chat box. Oval shape. So elliptical shape means it's in a oval shape. In an oval shape only, okay, all the planets will around the sun. It will move around the sun. Okay, even the earth also moves around the sun. But while it was moving around the sun, what it will do, the earth will spin on its own axis and then only it will move the sun. Did you follow? Okay, so how the earth will move the sun? The earth will move the sun by rotating itself on its own axis and then only it will move. Okay, so how the planets will move around the sun? In a fixed path. That fixed path is called a orbit. That fixed path is called an orbit. Okay, did you understand, children? So what is rotation and what is revolution? Rotation means the earth rotate. Okay, it will spin on its own axis. It will spin on its means how it will spin on its own axis? By tilting. Tilting means slightly tilting means slightly slanting position. Okay, slightly slanting position only it will move. In the same way, slanting, very good. In the same way only, revolution means the earth will move around the sun in a fixed path called an orbit. Okay, and it will rotate itself in its own axis only it will move. Okay, so this is called a revolution. If you see rotation, it causes day and night, but revolution causes season. Revolution causes season. And then the movement of the the movement of the earth around the sun is called the revolution. The earth takes 365 and 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means quarter days. Okay, to complete the one revolution. To complete the one revolution. Okay, so just I will recall and differentiate between the rotation and revolution. So what is called rotation? Point number 1. Dear children, please listen very carefully. What is called rotation? The movement of the earth around its own axis is called rotation. What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun. Okay, rotation means around its own axis, but revolution means around the sun. It's called revolution. And then rotation of the earth causes day and night. Revolution of the earth causes season. The revolution of the earth causes season. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, that is called a rotation. But Earth takes 365 days and 1 by 4 day. Okay, that means quarter day to complete one revolution. So these are the 3 points. These are the 3 points difference between the rotation and revolution. Yes, did you understand what's the difference between the rotation and revolution? So at the end of this session, after finishing the lesson, I'll demonstrate and I'll show you, okay, what is rotation and what is revolution. So revolution causes season. What are the 4 major season? What are the 4 major season? Spring, summer.
Season.
I need the answer in the chat box only. Okay, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So these are the 4 main season.
Ma'am, what is atom, ma'am?
It's a falling season, a green fall, a leaf fall. Now next we are going to see about the formation of day and night. How the day form and how the night form. Where the sun goes after setting. Where the sun goes after setting. Now, the sun does not move in the sky. The sun does not move in the sky. It remains fixed at a position. In one position only the sun will be there. Okay, I said no, in one position, it's a fixed position. It will there in a fixed position only. Okay, only all the 8 planets only, they will move around the sun. The 8 planets will move around the sun, but the sun doesn't move from the place. As the Earth rotates on its axis, a part of it faces the sun. That part is called the daytime. Okay, that part is called the daytime.
Tell
See,
me about Pluto, ma'am.
Kaushik, please mute your mic. Sikya, whether my screen is visible? Yes, now you can see the screen. See, at corner, you can see a sun. Okay, the sun rays, and you can see the earth. It is in a tilting position. Okay, see, off of the earth, the sun rays receive, the sunlight receive. So the at part alone is called a daytime, and remaining part, which is in a dark, that part is a daytime. That's a nighttime. It is in a night. Okay, so the part gets light from the sun is called a daytime. The part which we didn't receive a sunlight, that is called a nighttime. So this is a formation of day and night. This is a formation of day and night. Yes? Did you understand? So the sun, after setting, the sun won't go and hide anywhere. Okay, it will be in a fixed position. It will be in a fixed position. It won't hide anywhere. But how the formation of day and night causes? How? Because of the rotation of the earth. Because of the rotation of the earth. Because one rotation, it will take how many hours? 24 hours. So only for 12 hours it will be a very dark, and another 12 hours it will be a daytime. Yes, did you understand the formation of AM and PM? What you studied in a time lesson, max. You're right. Yes. Okay, children, have you ever noticed that when you're moving in your car or any some other vehicle, the nearby objects such as a tree or a tall buildings, okay, etc., will appear to move in an opposite direction? Why? What's the reason? While you're traveling in a bus or a car, okay, just sit near to the window side and observe all the objects, even the trees or flats or buildings or shops and all, it will move opposite direction. Why? What's the reason? Due to the, come on, yes, due to the rotation of the movements of the earth, due to the movement of the earth only, it is happening. Okay, due to the movement of the earth only, it is happening. Similarly, due to the rotation of the earth, the sun appears to rise, okay, and the sun appears to sunset in the sky. Okay, this happened due to the rotation of the earth.
What is mean of orbit?
Orbit is a repeating path. It's a path. It's a way. Okay, orbit means it's a path. It's a way. That is also regular and repeating way. In the same way only the planets will move around the sun. It won't change the way and all, because total how many planets were moving around the sun? 8 planets. If one planet is moved from its way, okay, what will happen? Both the planets will dash each other. So only they are saying they are moving in an orbit, the fixed path. It's a fixed path. That is called an orbit.
Okay, ma'am.
A good example, ma'am, given train. Just think about a train. If a two trains come in opposite direction in a single track itself, what will happen? In the same track, it will dash. It will dash each other. Same way only. If a planet, okay, see, they are having 8 orbit, they are having a own pathways there. That's the same repeating pathway. They will move. Okay. If they change the pathway, means accident will happen. They will dash each other. You're right. So now did you understand about the rotation, revolution and formation of day and night? Do you have any doubt? No, ma'am. Good. Now we know that a day on the earth is 24 hours long. Okay, but can you guess and say a day on Venus is how many hours it will take? Yes, how many hours it will take? 6,552 hours long it will take one complete rotation. Why? Because the Venus is the slowest rotating planet. The Venus is the slowest rotating planet. Okay, comparing to the Earth. See, Earth will take only 24 hours. Only 24 hours to complete one rotation. But Venus, it will take 6,552 hours to complete the one rotation. So Venus is the dash rotating planet. Yes, slowest rotating planet. Okay, Venus is the slowest rotating planet. Yes, children, did you understand? Yes, very good. Okay. So again, a small recap about this lesson. We have completed the lesson. There are two types of movements. One is rotation, movements of the earth. One is rotation and another one is revolution. What is called rotation? The movement of the earth around its own axis is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And next we are seeing about the revolution. What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun. It's called the revolution. Earth takes 365 and quarter days to complete the one revolution. And revolution of the earth causes season. And then we are seeing about the formation of day and night. Sun is a big star. It's not a planet. Okay, around the sun, how many planets are moving around the sun? 8 planets. Okay, same way, Earth is also moving the sun. And it was moving in a which shape? Elliptical shape in a fixed path. That fixed path is called an orbit. Okay, so the sun rays falling in a the sun does not hide itself after the sunset, and the sun does not move from one place. It was in a fixed position. Okay, the part that is away from the sunlight, it is called a night time. The part which we receive the sunlight, that is the daytime. Yes, children, did you understand? Okay, just I'll share the video. Sukritan, Pluto is not a planet, dear. Now, whether video is visible, dears?
No, ma'am. No. Yes, ma'am. Visible only, ma'am.
I need the answer in the chat box. Okay, can you see the globe here, miniature of globe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's Earth. Okay, so you can see here whether the Earth is in a straight line. No, okay, it's not in a straight line. Okay, so can you see here the 2 points? This one is the North Pole and this one is the South Pole. And can you see her line here in between the Earth? This is the equator line.
I cannot hear your voice. Your video is not visible.
See, if you unmute your mic, means it will be visible.
Kindly, dear, please mute your mic.
Use the chat box, dear.
You all are having no, you know about the globe, no? I will explain that.
So, okay, small activity I'm going to give for today's lesson. Just try, if you're having a small plastic ball, okay, just collect a ball like this. Take a ball and just ask your mom to buy a knitting needle. Okay, like this. This is a knitting needle. Is take a bottle and just pinch the ball with a knitting needle in a slanting position.
In your parents, don't do it by yourself.
Please, dears, don't do it by yourself. To help you, or ask your father or grandfather to help you. Just I pin the needle inside the ball in the tilting position. Tilting means
Ma'am.
slanting position. Okay,
Mom, when we put the air will go, ma'am.
it's a plastic ball, dear. If you pin it up itself, it will move. Ball only you have. Small ball. Okay. Now just you see. I'm going to spin the ball. This is the earth. This is a model of the earth. Okay. See how it rotates, how it spins. Whether it is moving in straight line? No, not at all.
Sharon?
Okay.
Sharon, please mute your video, dear.
See, it is rotating in a slanting way. I'm having a knitting needles. My needle is very small one. Just get a big knitting needle. Okay. And do the activity at home. Just take one small ball. It should be a smaller than the big earth ball. Okay, this is the earth, and just this one is the sun.
Syed,
So how the revolution will happen? How it will happen? The earth rotate on its own axis and it will move around the sun. So rotation and revolution will happen at the same time. What is called rotation? The earth move on its rotate on its own axis. Same time it will what it will do? It will move around the sun also. So rotation and revolution will happen the same time. Yes. So rotation, it takes 24 hours. It takes 365 quarter days. 365 and quarter days. Yes. The sun will never move. The sun will be in a fixed position. The sun will be in the fixed position. All the planets, all the 8 planets will be, they only the sun. Okay, in a fixed part. Did you understand the lesson? Whether you're having any doubt? Activity? 2 balls. Okay, one is little bit smaller than that another ball, and get a knitting needle
Ma'am, we
and show
cannot.
the axis. And which one is the? No, I mute the video. I stop.
Ma'am, we do this project, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you can do this activity and show it on Friday. Friday, anyhow, we are going to celebrate the National Science Day. Actually, the National Science Day is on Sunday, 28th Feb. Okay, but we are going to celebrate on Friday. Okay, so during that during the computer period, okay, you can show this activity and one more project I will give.
We
Just
show the Friday, ma'am.
Yes, dear, Friday. Friday, we are going to
Ma'am, coming
celebrate the
Friday.
National Science. Coming Friday, day after tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, and day after tomorrow is the Friday. And another project, be ready. Prepare a speech on any one of the planet. Prepare a speech on any one of the planet. So you said, no, ma'am, 8 planet is there. So just choose any one of the planet. Okay, write the 5 points. I need only the 5 points about the planet. Just go and search the website also, dears. You'll get more information about the each and every planet. Choose any one of the planet.
Ma'am.
So listen here. I said use the chat box. Pratiksha, Sri, most probably students from 3C only. You're not obeying my words.
listening skill.
Just go and see the other session and all. How they are very quiet. and they're giving all the queries or answers, all the things in the chat box only. They will use the chat box only.
Started typing.
They learn to type. But here, all were unmuted and giving the answer. So once again, I'll repeat the activity and the project. Okay. On Friday, we prepare with the activity. Show about the revolution and rotation and prepare a speech on any one of the planet. Okay. Only 3 to 5 points is enough. 3 to 5 sentences is enough. Yes. Will you do it? Yes, this is the answer from few students. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Will be ready. Okay. So there is no computer class on Friday. Instead of computer period, computer session, we are going to conduct the National Science Day only. We are going to conduct some quiz, and we are going to ask you be ready with the speech. Okay, we are ready to hear the speech from your side, and be ready with the project. Yes, not only this project, any project. Okay, regarding the science and technology. If you're having any project, if the project is ready already with you, for example, like a water cycle or a formation of rain or about any plants. Okay, if it's ready means be ready with that on Friday. You can display on Friday. Yes, children. Any doubt? Okay, thank you. Take care of the children. We'll end the session. Thank you, dears.
Thank you, ma'am.